Now, this is how you can back up your SMS text messages on your Android phone, and let's get into it. And now, it depends on your specific model, of course, but there are some general built-in solutions, or you can reach for the third-party options. For example, if you open up the Google Play Store, you have the ability to check out an SMS backup application, which will give you more options to pick from, but there are some of them which you might be familiar with already. So the SMS Backup and Restore is an app which looks kind of simple, but it has 10 million plus downloads, and essentially you can back up your messages through this application directly, right? You just install it and follow the instructions to turn on the messages. You will likely need to give the app access to your messages, of course, and then you can upload everything to the cloud. So it's really useful in that sense because you can go ahead and have everything right there. You just click on start a backup and it's going to work. However, you might as well just back up your phone generally, right? Like there is a dedicated backup section and you can do that for like your entire phone, right? So you can find it inside of your settings and you can back up data using Google Drive, or you can back it up to the Samsung Drive if you have a Samsung phone. But this basically requires to have everything backed up, including all of the apps and all of the data on your phone, including the SMS messages, of course. But this is like a little bit of an indirect approach. If you want to have it directly backed up, I would recommend you to get the app I've shown you in the beginning. And yeah, that's how I would approach this. Let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later in the future videos.